Hello friends, how are you? I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Luxury Fashion. So viewers, I am back again with very amazing designs of short pixie bob haircuts, hairstyle and hair dye ideas for women of any age. So viewers, I will suggest you to watch this video till end so that you can get amazing and stunning ideas about styling of these beautiful short pixie haircuts and about ideas of how to look stunning and gorgeous in short haircuts. If you already have short haircut, then this video will help you a lot in styling your pixie haircuts. Dear viewers, office going women should must try these stunning short haircuts as these haircuts are very easy to manage and very easy to style. If you want to change your outlook and want to look stunning and gorgeous, then this video will help you a lot. A beautiful haircut enhances your personality, make you look perfect at every event. So viewers, if you are looking for a new hair color, then this video will help you a lot in choosing a stylish and trendy hair dye color for your beautiful hair. So viewers, take care and keep visiting my YouTube channel to see more videos like this.